Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
The only reason he doesn't have a license is because of his age. You have to be 17 to get one. But when it comes to his skills, he's much better than your average 4-round pro. He's been trained ever since he was a little kid by his father, who was a former pro.
Well, I don't know if I'm really qualified to fight him.
Well, what am I supposed to do against that guy?
Listen, nobody's expecting you to beat the guy. Just go out there and show him your potential.
Listen up! The rules are the same as in a real match.
Take your mouth guard.
A strong guard and just keep my arms out.
That's right! Go! Move around! Keep your guard up!
So that's it, huh?
What happened? Oh. And I don't know what happened after that. This guy's very different from what I thought he would be.
Hey, why did you drop your guard?
Because I got hit in the stomach. I couldn't help it. Right.
Let's fight.
Now get the eye of the tiger and get in there! Yeah, good work! Float!
I see. He only does what Mr. Takamura tells him. That's too easy.
But this guy, he's way beyond me. That's right. I'm going to become a boxer.
I knock you down one more time and you're out.
Buddy! Get off!
I won't let my guard down, no matter what!
Ow, even with that barrage, Miyata can't knock him down. I guess his punches aren't as strong as I thought.
Hey, look out!
Oh, well, I didn't expect that. A fighting pose.
Now let me see.
Let's find out what he's made of.
Okay,
Whoa, the kid jabbed Miyata.
What a jab. Wow.
Don't tell me you forgot! Come on, use your head! Remember when I taught you how to punch the heavy bag?
my arms are getting so heavy.
His arms should be getting tired right about now.
My arms feel like dead weights.
Just a little longer. Now it's my turn.
Oh no, I'm so tired. But there's no way I can stop now!
Ippo, now!
Foot, hip, shoulder! Oh, one more punch!
Those guys are clueless. It's a huge mistake to think that boxing's all about power. Timing is key. Timing and the skills to meticulously target the opponent's weak spots.
Keep my guard up, hit him with a left and then a right. Left, right!
Huh?
Left, right!
How impressive. He sure has incredible power. But remember, in boxing, the way to knock an opponent down is like this.
Get back up! Unbelievable!
How can you possibly be standing?
Left, right. It's not over yet. I've made a commitment to become a boxer, and I'm gonna do it, right?
What
I won't fall down. I won't. I won't.
Why aren't you falling down?
Found us one intense kid, that's for sure. I've seen very few guys in my time who would put it all out there like he just did for a sparring match. I want him here at the gym every day, starting tomorrow. I'll make a real boxer out of that kid.